What's up, YouTube? Back with another video, back with another banger, back with another reaction. Man,
let's get it.
We got Ozzy Osbourne. We did this before, but this is the live version, and you know, every time we do like a original, like a music video, everybody always say do the live version and just see how it is, because you know it's a different experience when you see the artist perform live and just how they go, because it's never like the original. They always add some extra spicy, you know. I always add something new to that.
So you know we had to do it.
Facts. Ozzy Osbourne, one of the greats, man. Crazy Train was a great song. First time I heard this was on football.
Football, yeah.
Because when football, I forgot what Madden it was, but when it came on, they had Crazy Train on. And appreciate the fan love support. Like, subscribe if y'all new.
Yes, sir. Make sure to subscribe to the Patreon. Don't forget.
Yes, sir.
Into it. Let's see what this live version about.
See what you got, Ozzy. Let's go. Look at him.
It's definitely a football song.
Yeah. He.
Yeah.
He looked different.
Yeah, he definitely looked different.
Did he dye his hair black? He had to.
Yeah, he did. Yeah.
He most definitely did. I'm like, dang it, this nigga will look like him.
It was kind of long.
Wait, let me see. Search on Google real quick.
Let me see.
Ozzy Osbourne now. I ain't mistaken. I think he did dye his hair black.
Yeah, he did. Yeah.
He did? Oh, yeah. Okay, let me see. Yeah. He look totally different now than how he was.
Yeah.
But yeah. Okay, it ain't jet black, but it's a darker brown. Cause I'm like, yeah, okay, yeah. But hey, he look totally different than when he was younger. Fact, don't he?
Whoa, he's 73.
Still performing.
That's crazy.
Hey,
I didn't know that.
Come on, man. You can still do what you got to do.
24 minutes.
Yeah, you do. Look at all them people. Woo! I know when this song came out, it was crazy. What'd he say?
Yeah.
On a crazy train. That wind blowing hard. I don't know if that's a fan or waiting.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie. Like, this always mind boggles me. Like, you see how big that crowd is. I want to know the people who all the way in the back.
Yeah.
Like, can you even hear? Can you even? I like.
They glad they there.
Yeah, just saying like I was there. So I'm like, but dang.
You know, this is back then.
That looked like a mile long. That's tough.
Yeah, you know they ain't had no phones. They couldn't even.
They had phones back then.
No, I'm talking about they can't even prove they was there for real.
Oh yeah, so I'm like,
you know now everybody just records.
Facts. Yeah, that's true. But dang, yeah. Hey, somebody tell you, hey, I was at Ozzy Osbourne, but they was all the way in the back. Like, yeah, I ain't seen him that much, but I was there.
He looked like an ant. He looked
Facts.
like this.
I know. He looked like an ant back there. Look, he got his shirt off for everything.
Yeah.
Look at him. Look at him. That's crazy, ain't it? They by the mountains? How about some coyotes just came to that party up? But I know they far away from the mountains, but still, it look close. That's from the view. Yeah, Ozzy. Yeah, boy, that's crazy. That's crazy.
I know, I love that.
That doom doom.
Huh?
We talking about that doom doom?
Yeah. What would you call that? The instruments.
Yeah.
Doom doom and the suspension.
Yeah.
Doom doom.
Yeah, it is suspense. Yeah,
Yeah.
10 like it is suspense or something like that. But yeah, man, you already know how Ozzy is, man. Appreciate the fan love support. Y'all want some more Ozzy Osbourne, or you want us to react to another live version of his songs? Just comment it down below. We got y'all.
So make sure you subscribe to that Patreon. Don't forget.
Peace and love.
We out.